Good morning, and welcome to the Vox. So, first I want to apologize, it's going to be really freaking windy because I don't have a cattail on my mic. So you're just probably going to hear very muted audio with a lot of wind. This is scary holding my, this camera's not going to make it. Oh, neither am I. But this is our first real day in Maui and we're loving it. Oh, what's up, Mr. Crab? Also, if you're wondering where Max is, he's in the car. I'm not taking this in. Very pathetic. What do you see, Nick?
2 sea turtles.
Oh my gosh,
He stuck his head up. Oh, this is gonna get it. Oh, look at him over there.
oh my god.
Okay, so we're done over here at Turtle Beach and now on to Haleakala National Park. I hope that transition looked good. We'll see. Yeah, so I'm out here looking at the camera and vocking, and I keep destroying my bare feet on these rocks because I'm an idiot and I didn't bring actual tennis shoes to this trip.
Well, we're heading into the wilderness right now.
No, you gotta look at the camera and say it.
Well, but I'm gonna trip on myself.
That's fine.
Well, we're heading into the wilderness right now.
Uh-huh.
Not quite sure what we're gonna find. If it's gonna be a cow or a shark or just some more cloud coverage. So far, just a lot of cloud coverage.
Nice! This shot feels weirdly familiar.
Wait, we have
to be careful with Karen and Dale. I'm kind of afraid for them.
Yo!
That's messed up.
We don't even know where Karen and Dale are.
They are minutes behind.
What's that saying in Hawaiian?
Aloha?
No. What I keep... Mahalo!
That's thank you.
Oh. Well. Sir, what? He's peeing into oblivion.
I've claimed this mountain. This volcano now belongs to me.
So can we head back now?
Yeah, yes, yeah. So, unfortunate turn of events. We hiked probably about an hour down this way, expecting to find this crater.
Like 2 minutes.
We found it! Wow, and in another twist of events, we actually found the crater. Last second, thank you, Nick. We did it. Jeez. So, I'm gonna take a second real fast to preface you on what we're doing tonight. This national park, there's a summit and we're about 10,000 feet up. And tonight, I'm doing astrophotography because this area has no light pollution, best place you wanna do it. And basically hoping to get a really gorgeous photo of the Milky Way tonight. So, we'll see. Okay, so we're out here right now at the national park. And doing some astrophotography, and I just got this amazing photo of the Milky Way, and it's currently right now about low 40s, and I don't know why I'm still in shorts, but I was thinking about possibly doing a tips video on how to take astrophotography, on astrophotography and stuff, but I decided I'm just gonna make a whole new video later. But right now, boom, here's the what is it again? But right now, bing, there's the photo. Here's the settings as well. I'm just gonna put the settings with it, and I'm gonna go into a lot more depth later. But basically, if you want to shoot for something like this, you need to go somewhere where there's no light pollution. Is the biggest thing. A dark sky with no light pollution whatsoever. It'll really change the game. Also, just look up where the Milky Way is. Look up where you should be shooting. Everything like that. I mean, simple stuff. And just set your ISO at a medium pace. Shutter for about 25 seconds. Focus to infinity. Widen that. Use the 500 rule, and you're golden. So that's it for tonight. And let's see what happens tomorrow. All right, so it's our last day in Maui, and we did some sweet snorkeling. No, you didn't, dude. He claims he just chucked this ball and it made it.
It was on the second try, and I shot it like that, and it went right in the hole. I'm so serious.
Liar. Absolute
I'll do it
liar.
Again.
Okay, do it again.
Oh, get that out of the way. Nick, move your...
Jerk. All right, let's go. Yeah,
right,
nope.
But I did it that time.
He's a liar. So quick update, we went snorkeling today with like so many freaking sea turtles. Bing, that's a shot of the day. I'll just give you that real quick. And so now, as a part of our last night, we're gonna putt, eat some filet mignon, and swim. Oh. Garbage! Nope, try again. We're just gonna keep doing this till you make one. Oh,
That was pretty close. That was pretty close.
He's gonna like break my freaking lens.
It's not gonna happen.
Nope.
How about that?
Man, it's gonna pop up and smack my lens. That was actually close.
Look at the sunset.
I honestly thought it was that orange light. For a minute.
The selfie. That's gotta be looking right at it. Behind the,
Oh, but it's not over yet.
Oh, but it's not
It's over.
yet.
Why don't we putt? Why don't we putt instead of...
Nope.
Ooh. Ooh.
Dude, perfect.
Oh! That sounded like it hurt.
Yep.
Ew.
Oh. Oh, that was good. Batter up.
Oop me.
Yes.
I got bills to pay.
Oh, what? What? Off the lens. Off the lens. Yeah. All right, we're done to the pool. Jeez. Jeez. You angry?
Yes,
Why?
there are small things in the hot tub. Also, I'm hungry.
Dale, quick question. What makes a perfect filet mignon? Give us your secret recipe.
Cook it as rare as possible.
Nice.
As long as it doesn't jump off the plate while you're eating it, it's done.
Yes.
Goodbye.
So last night pool was a little bit of a bust. Too many little people in the hot tub, too many people in general. And now it's 5:45 and we are done with,
We outcha.
what's this place called?
Maui.
We are done with Maui and on
You
to
fake.
Kauai. She's not. Bug just landed on my freaking nose. She's not
Oh,
a
let me
morning
get it.
person. Yeah, she's not a morning person. All right, on to Kauai. All right, so we're officially on our second island. We're in Kauai, and we are hiking the Waimea National Park Trail to the fall. Okay, so we're done with the Waimea National Park Trail.
I'm also back out here without the proper footwear.
Jeez. Yeah, done with day 1 in Kauai.
Good morning. It's in the morning of Kauai. We tried to fit 3 boys on a pull-out bed last night, but Max had to ended up taking the L and his own little slot down here. So today we're going to the Queen's Bath, which apparently is this cool tidal pool that you can only get to at low tide. So yeah, let's go.
Yeah. All right, so we're hiking down to Queen's Bath. It's a little rainy, a little super slick. My flip-flops are coming in clutch again. Ooh, that was almost it. Oh, woohoo! We're good. Okay, so I detached the Rode mic because it was getting a little wet and I didn't want that getting wet. But right now, we're out here. We're on the hike to the Queen's Bath and this gorgeous waterfall behind us. And I just got this sick long exposure from it. Go check it out. It's on my Instagram at Rouse, R-O-U-S-E, photos. I'm gonna do tutorials later on how to take something like this if you ever want to try it. But super sweet stuff. All right, now to Queen's Bath. You're here, boys. Alright, so that's it for Kauai. Thank you for watching. Mahalo for watching, actually,
Mahalo.
as I should say. And don't forget to not subscribe. Alright, and on to Oahu.
Peace out, Kauai. Bless you.
To Oahu.